Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for stopping by, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my next subscription, which is the FABFITFUN. So it's a pretty big box. Here it is right here, big baby. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So I have my box over here because it is a pretty large box, and every time you get your box, it's the same size. Just because they put so much stuff in there, that's really worth your freaking money. Get it, you guys. Anyway, so let's jump into this. So every box always comes with a magazine like this. It's a FABFITFUN magazine. It just gives you information of the stuff that you got from your box. It gives you the pictures of the other stuff that's included in other people's boxes. It gives you the information down here and other stuff. So you do have an option to customize your box for every box. The only thing is I did miss it this time, and I usually do customize mine just because I like certain stuff and I didn't want to just get whatever they give me, because sometimes I won't use it. So if you're interested, I'm gonna have the link below with the code where you can, you know, get all the information if you want to subscribe to that and get some discounts. Also, it always comes with coupons. I always get this Hello Fresh. Here's the code if y'all need it. And then this time it came with stickers. And it did come with this card right here where you can get the coupon code for your first box, $15 off. Okay, so let's jump into the first item in this box. So this right here is the Erno Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. This retails for $38. And it says deep clean and rejuvenates the skin with the therapeutic benefits of Dead Sea mud. Again, that is $38. Next, we have the Cactus Cup here, and this retails for $20. And this is a 21-ounce Cactus Cup, and it says take your liquids to go with the reusable cactus shaped cup. $20. Next, we have this hand scrub, and this hand scrub is from Human Plus Kind Hand Scrub Elderflower plus Raspberry. It says take extra care of your hands with a scrub that gently removes dead skin cells while leaving your hands oh so soft. And this is for $15. So next is the 3 beauty rounds, and this is from, it says Say Reusable Beauty Rounds 3 packs. This retails for $15. It says ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. So here it is. You can use this. Oh, so soft. Take your makeup off. Next, we have this reusable tote grocery bag, and this is from Camp Collection Deep Dye Market Tote. This retails for $25. Right here, it has an ombre color right here, pink, so light to dark, and it says use this adorable reusable tote to haul your groceries. So you can put your vegetables, you can put your fruits, whatever you want to put in here. Here it is. Next, we're gonna go into this hair mask, which I don't really use hair masks like that, but it comes with my box since I forgot to customize my spring box. This retails for $55. And this is Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask. Antioxidant rich, shea butter restores softness and shine to your locks. So I'm gonna be giving this to one of my best friends because they use hair masks all the time and I don't. What's next? The most exciting thing in this box, which I've been waiting for. This is the Bento Box. It's in a shade like a pinky coral. It has a little belt here where you can open it. This is from Our Place Lunchbox. Easily pack your lunches in a BPA-free lunchbox. It also comes with utensils. This retails for $35. I think it's worth it. So once you open this up, it has your utensils. You got your spoon, your fork, your knife, and the most important thing, chopsticks. How cute. So when you open this up, it has another layer under here. And it comes with this. Close it back up. Close it and put your stuff in there. Okay, so last but not the least, we got the packing cubes. And this is from CalPack. Set of 3 packing cubes in Sorbet. Packing just got a lot easier thanks to these handy packing cubes. And this retails for $40. I think it's worth it. This is my second pack. I got another set for my very first subscription with FABFITFUN. I haven't actually used it yet because I keep forgetting that I have it. But next time I go somewhere, I'm definitely going to use it to organize my luggage. And so, with all that said, subscription is $52.99 every 3 months. I know it seems a little bit much, but I think it's really worth the, every penny, just because I calculated everything and it came out to be $208, and you get all this stuff for $52.99. So I think it's worth it. I'm gonna put the link down below where you can get your subscription code, so you can get a $15 off. And let me know if you guys subscribe and how you like it. Well, that is it, you guys. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for taking the time to stop by here and pay attention to me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you guys later. I love you guys. Mwah.